Hey Team Bio, sorry that I couldn't be in class today. While I'm out, I'm going to have you record your own screencast, kind of smashing together everything we've learned so far this term. This is how it's going to start out. You are going to introduce the process of photosynthesis. What are the reasons that an individual does photosynthesis? Why is it necessary for the ecosystem? And you are also going to write down the chemical formula for photosynthesis, the overall chemical formula for photosynthesis right here. You're going to talk to us about where it happens in the leaf, and you're going to give a brief introduction to the leaf cross-section, focusing specifically in on the cells that do photosynthesis and the structures within the cells that do photosynthesis. Here is a zoom in diagram to the chloroplast. The next thing that you're going to do is label all of the pieces of the chloroplast here that are, some of them which are labeled, some of which are not labeled. You should know that this is only showing a single thylakoid, but potentially you could draw in what more thylakoids would look like. The next thing that you're going to do is just read through the puzzle that you put together in class on Monday or Tuesday. So reading through the puzzle, the clues, you're going to just highlight what is happening in the light-dependent reactions. So all you got to do, read the puzzle word for word, and then highlight what's happening when. And then the last phase of the screencast is explaining how the products of the light-dependent reactions go into the light-independent reactions, or the Calvin cycle, and power it. Specifically, I want you to talk a little bit about the number of carbons at every stage in the cycle and how many times the cycle has to run in order to make one molecule of glucose. Just so you know, G3P is another name for pGal. And I think all the other names are the same that we talked about in our screencast. Okay, so that's all. Good luck. This image is in Notability. You should put it in Notability. It will be in your Google Drive. I will attach it to Schoology.